Hello everyone, today we are going to remove Mcafee Blacklist. First of all, we have to scan our website from scan website. Now, as you can see, our site is blacklisted by Mcafee. So for remove this blacklist, we have to go Mcafee website. I will give this link in my comment section. Okay, and here select web control, Mcafee site advisor web control. Now paste your site link. Check URL. Now here you can see optional category suggestion. I'm going to choose the category. My website category is personal blogging. Now we need to write a comment. Okay, done. Now we have to wait 3 to 5 business days. Thanks for watching my video. Hopefully this video will help you